Ever struggled with tying your shoelaces? It's a skill that can elude even the best of us, but today you're in luck. We're diving into the nitty-gritty of tying shoelaces, turning that challenge into a triumph. Ready to learn? Get your shoes ready and let's get started. Step 1 is to create a simple cross knot. Begin by taking both laces in your hands. Cross the right lace over the left, then bring it underneath and pull it through the gap. Make sure to pull the laces until they're even. This is crucial for a balanced knot. If one lace is longer than the other, adjust it until they are equal. Remember, practice makes perfect. With time, this will become second nature to you. Great! You've mastered the first step. Now, onto the loops. Now, it's time for the fun part, making the loops. This step is often referred to as creating the bunny ears. Begin by making a loop with one lace, then repeat the process with the other lace. Remember to keep a firm grip on the base of each loop to ensure they stay even. A good tip is to make sure the loops are of equal length, as this will help to keep your knot secure. Fantastic, you've got the loops down. Let's tie it all together now. Here's the final step, tying it all together. Now take those loops you've made and cross them over each other. Don't rush this part, take your time. Next, you're going to pull them tight, but not too tight. The secret to a secure knot is in the balance. You want it snug, but comfortable. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. And there you have it, a perfectly tied shoelace. Congratulations! You've just learned how to tie your shoelaces. We've mastered the cross knot, created the loops, and tied it all together. Remember these steps and you'll never fret over untied laces again. So next time you're faced with a pair of untied shoelaces, remember, you've got this. Thanks for joining us today and happy tying.